heart, so much stress. Life won't let up, boy, just rest. Lay down and let me cover you with all these kisses. So much on your mind, it weighs on your head. But baby, you're worry-free in this bed. Go ahead, let me cover you with all these kisses. Lay back now, 'cause you.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today we're going to be doing another Valentine's Day eye look, and I want this to be like a darker version because I know a lot of people don't really like the light colors, so I'm going to do like a dark purple smoky eye today, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. It's Valentine's Day, one more day from now, and I've just been in the Valentine's Day spirit. I just wanted to get out all of these videos because I'd done some other Valentine's Day looks, but it's something about a darker purple version that just makes me so happy to do. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and before you guys watch the video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Comment if you guys want to comment. So let's get right into the video. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to set my eye, and today I'm going to be using the Avon Everlasting Concealer, and I'm going to use this as a primer for my eyes. And now I'm going to set this. I'm going to set my eyes with this Maybelline Fit Me powder in the color Coconut. Now I'm going to be going into my Zulu by Juvia's Place, and I'm going to be going into this orange shade right here at the top, and I'm going to be using this as my transition color. This right under the brow bone highlight that I just put on. First thing I use is a soft blending brush, and I'm going to be using the Zoeva Luxe Crease Brush. Now I'm going to be taking this purple at the bottom, and I'm going to put that right under the orange transition shade that I just used. And with this, I'm going to be using a very thick blending brush. These bristles are harder than the other one, so I'm going to be using the BH Cosmetics V5 blending brush. I'm going to go back into that orange shade from the Zulu palette, and I'm going to go right back above that purple shade that I put on, just to make sure that there's no lines shown, and just to blend it even more. I'm going to take another blending brush that is in the middle of both of the brushes that I've been using. It's not too soft and it's not too hard. And I'm going to take this pink shade, and I'm going to put this in between the orange and the purple shade. So now I'm going to go into my Satan Center's Kat Von D palette that just came out this holiday, well, this Christmas 2017. And I'm going to be going into this dark purple bluish shade at the bottom. It's a dark purple, but it looks kind of like a dark blue as well. And I'm going to be using that over the whole lid to fill in the rest of the lid.
That shade name is called Exorcism.
Exorcism. I don't know why I can say that. I'm going to be using this on a flat brush from BH Cosmetics in the number 6 from one of the kits. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back into this deeper blender brush, and I'm going to use that purple from the Zulu palette, and I'm going to blend this all together. Lastly, what I'm going to do with the eyes is I'm going to go into this pink shade. It's kind of like a holographic shade, and it has, it's like pink, but it has a purple undertone to it. I'm going to show you guys. Inner tear duct of my eye. A Luxe pencil brush for this. We're gonna go under the waterline, and I'm gonna be using this orange shade on my pencil brush. Also go into that purple and pink shade as well. Eye pencil. I'm gonna put this on my waterline. I'm gonna go into this L'Oreal Voluminous Mascara, and I'm gonna put this on the top lash and the bottom lash. Okay guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So please, before you leave, can you please like and subscribe this video, and just subscribe to my channel. I mean, if you guys want to see, you know, a lot of different looks like these or other type of looks, you guys can request and I'll do them for you. But this is, I actually really like this. It fits me. It's not too dark, but it's kind of dark and it's colorful. I like that I added the purple and pink together because it made the transition color looks a little different. And yeah, it's a very overall pretty look. And I hope you guys enjoy your Valentine's Day. You know, buy something for your loved ones, buy something for yourself. If you just, you know, if you just have yourself, go out, have fun, just do what you guys. I actually like both of these palettes. The Saint and Sinner palette got a lot of hatred towards it, and a lot of people were talking about it, but I actually really like it. I love the different colors that they put in here. I love colors. Any color I'll probably put together. I don't have a problem putting colors together. And I know a lot of people didn't like the way the palette was created, but honestly, I see the theme. This is supposed to be like the church glass. I don't know what the glass is called, but these are all like the reflections in the church glass, and these colors are very pigmented. Like, I'm gonna show you guys. This lime green, that's what it looks like. All of her formulas are kind of buttery, and I'm gonna show you guys this one. She has a buttery formula, and I love Kat Von D. It's just a lot of pigmentation in her stuff, and a lot of people sleep on Kat Von D, but I really love all of them. And like I said before, I use more than one palette anyway, so I don't mind having to go into another palette to get something off. I mean, dang, I just totally threw myself off. But to get something for my eye. And y'all already know that I love Juvia's Place. This is nothing new. I've been with Juvia's Place for a year. Has it been a year? Or 2 years? 2 years. Yeah, because I got it I started using her shadows in 2016. And ever since I tried her first palettes, I've been in love with all her formulas and everything. And it's just something about Juvia's Place shadows that I love. And hers, like, I'm going to show you guys, hers are very pigmented as well. Look at that. Her stuff is just pigmented, and I love her shadows and how her shadows blend. As you guys can see, nothing is wrong with the eye. No creasing going on because I have hooded eyes. So it's not really that much creasing going on with the eye. Purple to dark cool. It's like just in between. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like and subscribe. Request any videos. Oh yeah, and hit the bell, because if you hit the bell, is it either down here? It's on one of these sides. Hit the bell if you want to see every time I post a new video. I try to get them out, you know, every 2 times a week. I try to do 2 of them a week, but you know how a lot of stuff going on, and you know, so if it's 1 time a week, that's just my part. I messed up on my part. So I usually try to get 2 videos out a week. It'll either be a challenge with me or somebody else, or either a makeup tutorial. So that's all I gotta say for now. And if anything changes, I will let you guys know. I don't know what days that I just post them on days. Most likely this will be out tomorrow, which is Tuesday. Get them out either Saturday or Sundays, or Tuesdays or Thursdays. So either 4 of those days, just look out for my videos. If you guys don't hit the bell, that's why I say hit the bell, so you'll know when I post a video. But it's either gonna be either Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. Bye guys.